Southeast Industrial Equipment, and today I'm going to go over with you the features and benefits of the 2014 Terex PT110 Forestry unit. Varies from its competitors. This is actually the only truly built track loader in the business. All of our competitors have what is a standard skid steer frame that they put on an undercarriage and consider it a compact track loader. The other thing about the Terex Forestry unit is that this is the only machine truly built for the forestry application. And the features and benefits that I'm going to explain to you throughout this video are going to explain how and why those come into the forestry application. One of the biggest features of this forestry unit is the fact that it has 14.75 inches of ground clearance, which if you compare to our competitors that average about 9 to 9.5 inches, it gives us a big difference in the woods. The nice thing about the undercarriage is the height will allow you to move over those stumps and debris and not get hung up while you're out there. The suspension system on this is one of a kind, and no other system has this. This is called the independent torsion suspension system. What this is this means that each one of these bogies works individually to hug the ground as you go over debris. A lot of your other units that you see on the market have a straight bar system, which means there is no give. So you get that ride and fall that you normally would get with a standard track loader. The other nice thing about this unit is we have what's called a planetary drive system. This allows the machine to not bog down when being used with an implement. A lot of other manufacturers, when you're climbing and you're trying to use an implement, it'll actually bog the machine down. You won't be able to travel as fast. The other part of this machine that varies a lot from the other competitors is the fact that this comes with 20-inch tracks. A lot of our other competitors come with 15 to 16-inch tracks. The big difference in this is it allows for better flotation, better push power, and more track on the ground for a better ride. The thing great about the PT110 is the fact that you can drop the belly pans a heck of a lot easier than a lot of other units. These are actually split belly pans and hinged. So at the end of the day, all you have to do is remove the bolts and these will fall down so you can keep them clean. Remember, maintenance is the key to longevity of a machine. Features about the 20-inch tracks and the way that this frame system is built is the fact that this machine only has a ground pressure of 4.25 pounds per square inch. All of our competitors are 5.5 pounds per square inch or above. This sets us apart as far as flotation, push power, and the ability to get through areas where other machines cannot. All other standard units on the market right now, the Terex 110 does come with high and low flow as far as your hydraulics are concerned. But the biggest difference that the 110 has over everybody else in the competition is the ability to dial in your high flow rate starting at as low as 30 gallons per minute and bringing it all the way up to 45 gallons per minute in 1 gallon increments. Basically what that means is the benefit is that any implement that you use, no matter what the manufacturer rating is for flow rate, you can match that with this system and get the best production out of your attachment. The cab of the PT110 is one of its own in the industry. You can actually measure pressurization inside this cab, which means that the operator will stay more comfortable with less dust and debris coming inside of the cab. The other nice aspect is the safety feature of this door system. Should the arm be stuck up during operation and the operator needs to exit the vehicle, all he has to do is pull these two quick latch releases and this door will fall right off. You can easily replace the door after the fact that they get out. The nice thing about the 110 is the ability to do your daily maintenance checks very simple and easily right out in the field. Starting over here on the side, the one thing that they do is they keep every fluid listed in the unit and every spec that needs to go inside. You've also got your ability to check your battery and your daily levels. T110 comes standard with a hydraulic tank measuring 23 gallons. Most of our competitors out there only carry 10 to 15 gallons of hydraulic fluid. The benefit of this is the fact that the hydraulic fluid stays cooler throughout the day, so your machine will run cooler also. You also get less breakdown in your oil, so your periodic maintenance times are a little bit longer with the 110 than a standard unit. The unit, as you can see, you can check your daily levels, including your hydraulic fluid, which is just in a sight glass here. You can also blow out your air filters every day. This protects the unit, keeps it from overheating, and keeps your operator safer. Thank you very much for your time today. If you'd like more information on the Terex PT110 Forestry or any other line of Terex products, please don't hesitate to give me a call. My number is 980-226-8699. My name is Jason Dennis. I'm with Southeast Industrial Equipment. Have a great day.